Hello everyone.
Hello, Teacher Pendo.
Welcome to Hot Numbers. By now we should all be able to add, subtract, multiply and divide small numbers.
Oh, Teacher Pendo?
Yes, Marara?
I can do that too.
Aha, very good. I'm always happy to hear that. But today we will look through addition and subtraction, but this time we will have more than 3-digit numbers. So 89 is a 2-digit number. 207 is a 3-digit number. 78,967 is a 5-digit number. What do you think? 345,678, how many digits does this one have? Yes, Waidera?
A 6-digit number.
Very good. Well done. Now, on the board here, I have 2 sums. So on our first sum, just like with smaller numbers, with addition, we start from the right-hand side. 5 plus 2 is 7. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 4 plus 4 is 8. 7 plus 5 is 12. We write 2 here, then we carry the 1 here. Then 1 plus 5 gives us 6. So how will we read this number? Yes, Hilda?
628,967.
Very good. Now, if we look at the second sum, we see that 5 plus 2 is 7. 3 plus 5 is 8, 4 plus 6 is 10. So we write 0 here and we carry the 1 here. And then we add 5 plus 1, which gives us 6. 7 plus 8 is 15. So we write 5 here and we carry the 1 here. 6 plus the 1 we carried is 7. So 7 plus 7 gives us 14. How do we read this number? Someone tell me. Yes, Hilda?
1,456,087.
Very good. Now we will move on to subtraction. Again, you all know how to subtract, but I'm now going to challenge you with this bigger number.
Well, so, Teacher Pendo,
Yes, Marara?
the principles are the same with bigger digits. Just that you have to concentrate too hard.
That's right, Marara. Now I have this sum on the board here, and this time please note that it is subtraction. Always look at the operation sign before starting your workout. Okay. So 0 minus 6 doesn't work. So what we will do is we will borrow 1 from 5, which gives us 10. So 10 minus 6 becomes 4. Remember we borrowed 1, so we have 4 here. 4 minus 3 gives us 1. Interesting again, we have 4 minus 6, which doesn't apply. So what we need to do is borrow 1 from 3, which gives us 14. Now 14 minus 6 is 8. And remember we had borrowed 1 from here, so now we have 2 minus 2.
Ooh, I know that one.
Yes, Marara?
2 minus 2 is 0.
Very good. And we will subtract nothing from 6, so it remains as 6. And what is our answer? Yes, Hilda?
60,814.
Very good. Now remember, sometimes you may have sums written in a line. Now to make your calculations easier, always write them out in a vertical manner, just like what we've done with these sums here. Now, can anyone tell me why we learn mathematics? Yes, Wasonga?
It is important to know how to count.
Excellent. But why is it important to learn how to count?
Oh, Teacher Pendo.
Yes, Marara.
I think it's because we are counting all the time. Like now, I can count how many we are in class.
Good. Well done. Now, where else do we need to know how to count? Yes, Hilda?
The shop.
Yes, in the shops, we always need mathematics. We learn mathematics so that we can apply it to our everyday life. As I explain a problem, you need to tell me how to solve them. Now, if you're at home, why don't you get your papers and pen and join in? Now, Musa needed to buy 2 trucks for his business. He inquired from sellers how much each truck was costing. One was going to cost 800,450 shillings. The second truck was going to cost him 2,975,680 shillings. How much was he going to pay in total? Now, how do we go about working out this sum? Yes, Maua?
Add the cost of the 2 trucks together in a vertical sum.
Very good. Now, let's do that. So, one was going to cost 800,450, and the other one was going to cost him 2,975,680 shillings. So what we are going to do is add this because we're looking for the total cost. So 0 plus 0 gives us 0. What is 8 plus 5? Yes, Wasonga?
13.
13. So we write the 3 here and we carry 1 here. So this gives us 5 plus 6, which is? Yes, Waidera?
10, but we carried the 1. We add the 1 to the 10 to get 11.
So we write the 1 here and we carry the 1. So how do we go about this?
Oh, Teacher Pendo,
Yes,
I know that
Marara.
one. 5. But we should write 6 because we carried the 1.
Very good. Okay, what is 0 plus 7? Yes, Maua?
7.
Very good. And what is 9 plus 8? Yes, Hilda?
17. We write 7 and carry the 1.
So we write the 7 here and we carry the 1 here. So 2 plus 1 gives us? Yes, Hilda?
3.
Very good. And what is the total? Yes, Maua?
3,776,130.
Well done.
Now, Teacher Pendo,
Yes, Marara.
I always thought I needed a calculator for working big numbers. But now I think I can do it with just pen and paper.
Well, it's always good to hear that. Working with numbers that are more than 3 digits is really straightforward. All you need is a pen and paper. Well, unfortunately, that's all we've got time for today on Hot Numbers, but be sure to tune in next time as we look at multiplying and dividing numbers that are more than 3 digits.